In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Slack. Slack is a widely used communication tool in many organizations, offering a variety of features to enhance workplace collaboration. One of these essential features is the ability to set reminders, which can help you stay on top of tasks and never miss important deadlines. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, you'll need to open the Slack application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're in, go to the conversation or channel where you want to set the reminder. This can be a direct message with a colleague, a group conversation, or even a channel where your entire team is present. It's important to set the reminder in the right place, where you'll be most productive and can easily access it when needed. Next, you'll want to use Slack's reminder command. Begin by typing a / in the message input field. After the slash, type the word remind. This command is the gateway to creating reminders within the application. It's quick and easy to remember. Once you type remind, you'll then need to specify who you're setting the reminder for. You can set it for yourself by using the command remind me. After setting who the reminder is for, you'll need to write what you're being reminded about. This could be something like finish report or check emails. It's crucial to be clear and specific so that when you receive the reminder, you'll know exactly what needs to be done without any confusion. Having a vague reminder could lead to unnecessary stress or misunderstandings. The next step is to choose a date and time for your reminder. You could use expressions like tomorrow at 10 a.m. or next Monday. Slack is flexible with date and time formats, allowing you to choose what works best for you. It's essential to pick a time when you'll be available to act on the reminder to ensure that it's as effective as possible. Once everything is set, you'll simply hit enter, and Slack will confirm that your reminder has been scheduled. You'll receive a notification at the specified date and time in your Slack app, making sure you're alerted as planned. It's a great tool for keeping your schedule organized without needing to leave the platform. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to set reminders in Slack. It's an excellent feature to incorporate into your daily routine, keeping you and your team on track with tasks and deadlines. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.